This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Litecoin today. First, to put my charts into perspective, this is a candlestick area. These gray vertical bars, this is a volume profile. This is a slow stochastic indicator. This is the MACD indicator. These purple lines that you see here, these are Camarilla pivot points. This is Camarilla pivot R3. This is Camarilla pivot S3. And this trade idea was an S3 to R3 long trade idea. This blue line that you're seeing here, this is the 200 exponential moving average. This is a 5-minute chart. I use it strictly for entries. This is the 15-minute chart. I do most of my work on this chart with determining market structure and stop loss. This is the hourly chart, mainly used to designate strength or weakness in a currency pair. The 15 and the hour I use similarly, but focus on the 15 for more definition. And we'll come in here on the 60-minute and I'll walk you through what I was seeing here on the trade. So this is S3. This is S4. What I observed here is Litecoin was trading at the S3 level and then trading above this 200 moving average, which is right here. It's trading above it here, and we can also see there's a crossover of the moving average right here at the S3 level. So based on my trading system, or at least my trading system is based off the Camarilla pivot system, which is long at S3 up here to R3. So I take an entry here. We'll go over to the 15-minute. Actually, I'll walk you through here. Volume pretty flat. We can see just before the entry there were oversold conditions, which are good to buy in. You're in a pullback zone, and we can see here very good seller momentum declining on my entry, and the MACD below the average, and we can see the crossover here, and buyers take momentum as the push goes up, as buyers come in and take the price higher. Over here on the 15-minute, I'll show you where my stop loss was. So my stop loss, actually, let's come back over here. My stop loss is here. So I placed my stop right below this candle here, which is an isolated pivot low. I set my stop back here a few cents below this when I take the entry. We can see here on the slow stochastic, or let's start with volume. Volume's pretty flat. Price action is right at this 200 EMA, trading above it here. And we've got some bought conditions. This could also be aggressive buying. This could also be selling about to take place, and we have the slow K crossed under the slow D, and we have very steady but low buyer momentum with the MACD above the average here on the 15-minute. And if I zoom out, you can see this took most of the day here. I'll show you my tickets near the end, but we can see this inefficient candle right here with volume coming in and volume coming in over this whole area here. But then I believe some news came out on the U.S. stock market, and then things sold off and kind of consolidated here, retested this 200 EMA here and here, found support here. You can see the volume coming in on the retest of the 200 EMA here, and then found support here at the 200 EMA, and then buyers step in and are able to move the price to the R3 level from the S3 level here. And we can see the conditions here on the 15-minute overbought, aggressive buying, pretty steady here. And we can see buyer momentum with the MACD over the average. And then you're seeing the same thing here on the 5-minute here. And we'll take a look at my tickets for today. So I entered this position here, this LITECOIN here at 509, and we can see Cosmos took a bunch of, or over trading on Cosmos and took a bunch of losses. Cardano took a loss here, only traded it twice, and then LITECOIN here. LITECOIN here, you can see my exit. So entry here at 509, exit at 1843. So an all-day trade, 50 cents risk, even though I believe there was somewhere around 30 or so cents that was actually risk based on my stop loss, and a bit over $1 here on profit to recoup some of these losses that I gave myself here. But this is just risk management. Started the day out at 52.80, and now balance wise, even after 6 losses and 1 win, still only about 74 cents away from where I started the day. So solid risk management, over trading for sure, but it stopped me from starting from further behind the 8 ball, so to speak, for tomorrow. But this is On Tilt Trading, and we'll see you next time.